Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 lines on the computer. You can also write this under the topic 10-line essay or short essay on the computer. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is: the computer is a useful and powerful device. Second line is: it helps us in various aspects of life. Third line is: it has revolutionized the way we work, learn, and communicate. Fourth line is: it is like electronic brain that can do math, store information, and even play games. Fifth line is: it makes our work easier and faster. Sixth line is: but we must use computers wisely. Seventh line is: we should protect our personal information. Eighth line is: we should not spend too much time in front of screens. Ninth line is: we should use it responsibly. Last line is: when used wisely, it can enhance our lives in countless ways.